Behind the scenes, Dell Technologies engineers are hard at work, empowering organizations across the globe in all industries with our Dell EMC PowerEdge server portfolio. Whether you're looking for low latency performance, deep learning and machine learning, VDI, and more, we have a solution that's just right for you. The Dell EMC PowerEdge R750 is a full-featured enterprise server that delivers outstanding performance for the most demanding workloads. Inside, it's packed with state-of-the-art technology components, including up to 2 third-generation Intel Xeon scalable processors with up to 40 cores per processor, high-speed and high-capacity memory with 32 DDR4 DIMMs and Intel Optane persistent memory, up to 24 NVMe drives, including hardware NVMe RAID, and up to 8 PCIe Gen 4 slots. This workhorse can handle a broad range of requirements, making easy work of any task. With high-speed memory and capacity, it's ideal for as-a-service, Hadoop, and decision support systems workloads, especially those requiring powerful analytics. It provides high-performance compute and accelerator configurations for AI, machine learning, deep learning, inferencing, and rendering. And it delivers balanced core count and GPU to support hundreds or hundreds of thousands of clients for VDI rollouts. And like all our PowerEdge servers, the R750 also includes added protection, from design through decommissioning, with our secure supply chain and cyber-resilient architecture, including Intel Crypto Acceleration for enhanced cryptography processing, effortless management with our Open Managed Suite, and peace of mind with Dell Technologies Pro Support. Take control today and power your tomorrow with a server designed to evolve and transform with your organization. Innovate, adapt, or grow with the Dell EMC PowerEdge R750, your innovation engine.